We are providing the support, the placement supports, placement assistance. Okay, the student will be required, and this course will be designed by from the industrial experts. So for those who teach you, the trainer will be industrial expert. Okay, and I'll share the course curriculum before the session end, because we continue the session on Excel module, and the end of before the end of the session, I present to the all the course curriculum, all the details regarding from this course. Okay, and which types of support that will be getting this course on feedback. Okay. So if you're facing any doubts, please let me know. I'll share my contact details in a message box. Okay. So I request you, the Rohit, who are presenting the session on. Rohit, you presenting the session?
Hello.
Yeah. Welcome, Rohit, in the session. So today's trainer of the session is Rohit Pudal. Rohit, you can continue the session, and anyone have doubt regarding from the course curriculum, I'll share it with you before the end of the session. Okay. Yeah, Rohit, I request you to step over the session.
Okay. So, hello guys. Today we learned few basic things about Excel. Now, in that I'm going to introduce to the dashboard part. So, let me share my.
Rohit, please record the session also, okay? Because
Yes, sure.
next we will not be joined, so I'll provide you recording it.
Sure, sure.
Okay, thank you for your service.
Let me share my. So, here we do have a data which contains around 10,000 rows in it. And there I have kept some KPIs. Now, what is KPI? KPI is key performance indicators. Now, in any company, when you are going to work as a data analyst, so obviously you are going to work with data, right? So the eventual goal of working on that data would be extracting something from that data. Now, basically, while we work as a data analyst in company, we take the data, we analyze the data, and we transform that data in simplified manner so that a person who doesn't know anything about that data won't be able to understand, right? And creating a dashboard is one of the steps. So these are few KPIs we have kept, and we are going to create a dashboard based on these data which we have. So in Excel, whenever we want to extract a summarized form of data, we first convert a normal table into a pivot table. Now, pivot table is something which we use to summarize data. Like we can see, like here around 24 columns we have, right? 10,000 rows we have and 24 columns we have. And suppose by any time, if I want to see in country region. Now, in country, we have several countries over here. And in that, like how much profit or how much sales I got from Afghanistan, how much sales I got from uh, Cameroon, how much sales I got from Italy, right? So if I want to see that, so just going through the table will not help me. So for that, we have a concept named as pivot table. So when we will get into main course curriculum, there we are going to see in depth, like right from the base, exactly how to create pivot table. But for now, for the session, for the sake of this session, I just take you through creating pivot table. So creating pivot table through a data is very easier. So we just need to make sure that we are keeping cursor inside anywhere in the table. You can keep cursor inside anywhere in the table. Just make sure it is there in the table. And then we will go to the insert tab. Now, the top, we have multiple tabs, file, home. By default, it will be there on home. So we just need to switch to the insert tab. And very first option which you will get over there, that is pivot table. So I'll just use this. I click on the drop down and then I'll click on the from table link. Now, this is the table we have, right? It is not, there we do have some other options as well, but for today, we are not going to see those options. We will go with the first option, that is from table and range. Then I click on that, and here we'll see some options. So we'll simply go with the new worksheet. I'll see the benefit of having data in Excel, that Excel is smart enough to select that table entirely automatic. Yes, yeah, but there is one condition. Your data should not have any empty row in between. Otherwise, Excel will select till that empty row. Okay, so if you have one empty row in between and after that again you have some data, so Excel will not be able to identify that further data. So just make sure you don't have any empty row in between. So Excel has selected the entire data quite correctly. Then I'll click on OK. So it will add a new sheet over there. Now, any one of you is worked before on Excel and worked before on pivot table, you must be familiar with these options which we have on the right hand side. But those who don't, those who never worked on pivot table or never worked on Excel, so let me just tell you a brief about these options. So here we have all the column names. This is a list of columns. If I go to the orders table, this is the orders table. So in that we have 24 columns. So all the column names are visible over here as a field. And below we have 4 sections. We are going to utilize these 4 sections to create a pivot table. Pivot table is nothing but a summarized version of my data. Summarized version of that table. Now I'll go to the KPI card, KPI sheet. Now from here, we will start creating different pivot table. Eventually, we are going to use that pivot table to create a dashboard. Okay. So first KPI is top 10 revenue generating countries I want to see. Okay, so I'll go to this sheet too. I'll just rename this one as summary. Okay. So the first KPI we have, that is top 10 revenue generating countries. So first I need to search for the country field. So here we have country field. Now below, where exactly I need to drag and drop it. So normally when we create any table, a normal table, so the data which we want to see in one column, that goes in different rows, right? Like suppose I want to see the list of country. So that list, like each and every country will be there on separate rows. So that's why I will be dragging and dropping this country in the rows section. So you can see a list of country we get those. Okay, and as it is a pivot table, not a single value will be repetitive over here. Each and every value can be unique. Okay, as it is a summarized version of data, so that's why each and every value can be unique. Okay, next thing which we need, that is revenue. Okay, now for each and every country, we want to see how much sales has happened. Okay, that would be a value, right? That is a numeric value. And revenue is nothing but your sales data. So I will drag and drop this sales data in the value section. Okay, as it is a value, numeric value, so that's why I need to drag and drop it in the value section. So in front of each and every country now, I have the data, how much total sales has happened in that particular country. Okay. Now what exactly we want to see? Top 10 revenue, top 10. Okay. So the highest revenue generating countries we want to see over. Now the benefit of having pivot table, there we get the filter icon automatic. Okay, and if I want to see the top 10 countries based on the overall sales, so I don't need to I don't need to rocket size. Okay, and we just need to click on this filter icon. Okay, filter icon which got generated over here in this pivot table itself. I'll just click on that filter icon, and there we have some options. So that is sorting option, then this filter option, label filter, and then the last option we have, that is value filter. Now we want to sort this, we want to filter out this data based on value. Yes, that's why I'm going to the value filter. And if you can see, there we have an option in the top 10. I click on that. Now I want to see top 10 item based on what? Sum of sales. That is only numeric value we have added over here. That's why it is only value visible. If we would have added more than sum of sales one, like if we would have added a profit or manufacturing cost or shipping cost, if we would have added that as well. So in this list, those values would be visible as well. Yeah, but for now we don't have anything else, so it is only visible. The sum of sales only visible. Top 10, that is what we require. I'll click on OK. Now it is going to show me the top 10 revenue generating countries. That is my first KPI. Okay. The second KPI. Second KPI is top 3 profitable market. Okay, top 3 profitable market. So see, before creating any dashboard, you must be knowing your data. Now I know this data, that's why I can go away, right away, go ahead and create those pivot table. I know that this field exists over there. So yeah, so top 3 profitable markets. So I'll go to the summary page again. Now here, I don't need to create that pivot table again. Like see, this table is there for, I'll just give some header over there. Hey, top 10 revenue generated countries. Then phases as in center. Highlight. This is top 10 revenue generating countries. The second table which I brought over there, that is for top 3 uh, profitable market. Top 3 profitable market I want to see. For that, I don't need to go over here again, create a pivot table. What simply I can do? I can simply select this table, copy it, and paste it over here right away. Here, just paste it. And then from here, I'll just remove the field which we have. That's it. Now we can create. So similarly, the KPI count, like total, how many KPIs we have? 9 KPIs we have, right? So in that, not for everything we have pivot table, we'll create that one. So for top 3 profitable market, I need to have the market field. So I'll drag and drop market field in the row. And then profit table, yeah. So it should be having profit value. So I'll drag and drop profit value. And similar logic, right? Here, how we took the top 10 revenue generating countries. I'll click on this filter icon, then value filter. I'll go to the top 10 again. Now we require top 3. So I'll just remove 10 from here and enter. Okay. So these are top 3 revenue generating market. Sorry, top 3 profitable market. Type top. Wow. Early things, then I'll just select this is again KPI. For KPI, that is top 10 product for profit ratio. Okay. Now the thing is, in my orders table, if I just go on the very right hand side, there we have sales, quantity, discount, profit, shipping cost, and order priority. But I am not able to see the profit ratio anywhere. Now, what is profit ratio? How much profit I got over the sales. Okay, that is profit divided by sales. That will become my profit ratio. Okay, but that field I don't have over here. So in that case, what we can do? Either I can add one column over here, then I can perform the calculation, and then I can have the value. Or else, the benefit of having a pivot table is you can create a temporary calculated field over there in the pivot table itself without adding a column, extra column over here. That is applicable only for calculation. Okay. In our course curriculum, we are going to learn this in very detail, in very depth, step by step. But for now, I'm just taking it quickly. So I just create one pivot table again, copy, paste it over here. I'll just remove the unrequired KPI is top 10 product for profit ratio. Okay. So first I'll take product name. So product name I'll take in the row. This is the news that we have. And then for profit ratio, we require sales and profit both of them. For now, I'm taking profit in the values and then sales in the values. Okay. Now for calculating anything in the table, now whenever we create pivot table, on top you must have seen there are two extra tabs we are getting. Okay, so these tabs are available. Like some of these tabs we need to add afterward. But when you create this pivot table, this pivot table analyze and design, these two tabs would be visible. Yeah, so if I just click somewhere outside, see those tabs are getting vanished. But if I click within pivot table, those tabs are appearing. Okay, so I just need to go to the pivot table analyze, and we do have multiple options, but in that like we are like in course we are going to see this uh, detail, the important options we are going to see over there. But for now, we need to look in the option in the section of calculations that is somewhere on the right hand side, calculation sections, and in that we are going to see field item and sets. Okay, so I'll just click on the drop down of field items and sets, and there I'll click on calculate field. Okay, now what exactly we want to calculate? We want to calculate profit ratio. So I'll just give it a name as profit ratio, and below in the section of formula, we are going to perform the calculation. So I'll just remove the zero. I'll just simply go to that field. See, here we have list. So I'll just double click on that field name. So we need to perform profit divided by sales. That's it. So this will be the field which we required, and you can see the profit ratio. That field got added over there. This is the profit ratio. Okay. Now here we are having dollar symbols, so we can simply remove it using the formatting. Like a percentage. So this would be the profit ratio which we are going to get from this. Okay. Now if I just remove the sum of sales and sum of profit, yeah, that is what we actually. Now the goal was to calculate to see top 10 products for profit ratio. We want top 10 products for that. Okay. So similar approach. I'll go to the filter, value, top 10. Here we have some of profit and top 10. Okay. And these are the top 10 products which we have in terms of profit ratio. Now, each and every product do have 50% profit ratio. But yeah, that was our goal. So we got the top 10 profit ratio. Okay. This was a third. Top 10 products for profit ratio. I'll see the KPIs which I have kept over here. Similarly, getting KPI in your company as well, like work there you are going to get some instruction from your manager or from any leader under which you are going to work, that yeah, these are the data we are supposed to present in front of uh, maybe clients or maybe higher authority, and in that case how to extract that data. Yeah. So these are all things which are going to learn under this course. Those would be helping us to extract the data as and when they are going to ask us for the data. We are going to use this. So this is the third KPI, I guess. Yeah, this is third KPI. And go to the KPI card again. Then over here are just sorry body KPI card again. Three KPIs we have taken. The next is bottom five revenue generating subcategories, right? So we have taken three top revenue generating. Now we are going to see one bottom, uh, like bottom five revenue generating. We are going to see one bottom performer as well. The it is stable again. It goes to size. It is over here. Onward. We required category, keep subcategory in the row, and then revenue generating, so I'll keep the CS in the values. And we want to see now the bottom, right? First click on the drop down. Again, we'll follow the same. We'll go to the top 10, and there, where we have top this level, we'll click on the drop down. There we have option of bottom as well. Let's click on that. We require top, bottom. Let's see second. So it is bottom five. So here, that bottom five players, and these are the bottom five subcategories, which are not doing so good. I'll cut it from here and I'll rearrange it somewhere. So yeah, so just put set toy. So yeah, shift up. Yeah, these are four KPIs, fifth KPI. So revenue per e-commerce platform. Now here we have data of e-commerce is like we know the e-commerce market, like Amazon, Flipkart. We do have the data of that as well, like that particular order was placed on which platform. So we do have three e-commerce platform over here. So per platform, how much revenue was generated, got generated. That is something. So for that also we have so I just copy this. It's somewhere. It's a no these on the required fields, and then I go to the gone market. Hey, on site. It's I'm going to keep that in the row, and for the winner, the fields revenue. That is Elgin cycle. So on 5 KPIs, we have the revenue growth per year. Okay, so now the data which we have was here in that we do have data of dates as well, like when that order was placed. So we do have data for 4 years. The KPI which has been asked, that is it's revenue growth per year. So the variation in revenue per year, how much extra or how much lesser we got, that is something. See, so I'll just copy the data again from here, so somewhere over here. A little long these things. Then I'll take well, where did you know it? The year got added over here. Now see, if you can close this either, we have plus icon in front of each and every uh, year. That plus icon indicates hierarchy. Now hierarchy is something which in terms of data, if you see whenever we have data, that is the beauty of using these tools, that whenever we have a date added in any data, so it is going to convert it automatically into hierarchy, and due to that only we are going to get this plus icon. So it is going to divide that date in terms of years, quarters, months, and days as well. Okay. So yeah, so you can see I just dragged the order date in the rows, but there we do have year, quarter, months, and order date as well. So everything got added over there automatic. Now for revenue, and take the sales again over there in the value. So per year, how much revenue was generated? That is something we are able to see over here. So see here that yearly revenue that about margin center. Then we have total revenue, total profit, and number of product got sold per year. Okay, so number of product got sold per year, that is something for that we need total revenue, and for both profit, so we create pivot tables, and for the so 3 hours remaining. So first we import the total revenue. Total revenue is nothing but the overall sales which was happened in all those 4 years, and total profit is nothing but overall profit which happened in those 4 years. Okay, but for number of product got sold per year, so for that again we need to generate the same kind of table. What fees? Keep it up here. Below, but below. There are just amount sales and number of product which got sold. So quantity, yeah, you have quantity, I have this drag and drop quantity over. Product. Okay. I know the back arrow. Okay. And then, yeah, what I am, yeah, I'll just give the name as oh, oh, um, that or that generic name, the small gens and well, now only two KPIs are remaining, which we need to extract. Right? That's shit. Done. Yeah. Two remaining are total revenue to profit. Yeah, so for that, either we can go ahead directly with the pivot table, or else we can use formulas in the table itself, in the main table itself, for calculating. So have some formula for we can any one of the approach. So well, now as we are creating pivot table only, so I go with the pivot table approach. Keep it over here. The simple thing is I just need to, well, this is the overall sales. Okay. And copy it, for here, remove the sales, drag the profit over there, the value. This is the overall profit. Okay, so sum of sales and some net profit. So these are the numbers. So these are the KPIs which we actually required for creating the dashboard. Okay. Now, numbers we have taken, and based on these numbers, we are going to now see if we are going to show these numbers directly in front of management for the company, in the company for which you are going to work. These are also quite easy to understand, but still, see, visualization is something which is very much useful when it comes to showcase a data which is not that much easy to understand, right? Uh, so dashboard is something which I see basically how human tendency work. So if I'm showing you something in written form or in the tabular form, our human mind will not process it that much easily. But the same data, if I'm showing you in the pictorial form or in image form, we process, like human mind process that data very easily. That's the reason why we convert data into uh, a graph and chart, right? And through that, it becomes very easy to understand exactly where we are going forward and where we need some improvement. Okay, that is the only reason we are trying to convert the data into dashboard. So now we do have 4 KPIs. Now let's start create dashboard. If now for creating dashboards, we do have separate tools in markets like Power BI and Tableau is very famous too for that. But in Excel also, up to an extent, you can create that. Okay. Why I'm saying why I'm saying up to an extent, because Excel also has its own limitation. So due to that, sometimes if data is too much bigger, now I have taken only 10,000 rows data, but in industry you are going to get quite bigger data, and in that case, creating dashboard on Excel itself, sometimes it will be uh, the resource heavy and it is going to lag your system. Okay, it is going to make your system lag. So that's why we do have separate tools as well. But for now, we are going to see how to create dashboard on Excel itself. So for that, I will just take this summary, or I'll just add a new sheet, and there, before starting creating the dashboard, I'll go summary for each and every KPI. I will be creating charts. Okay, so I'll just click anywhere in the table, that in that particular pivot table, and then I can simply go to the pivot table analyze. And there on the right hand side, we have section named as tool, and then we have option named as pivot chart. So I'll click on the pivot chart. Now the chart section will open up, and in that it will show different kind of chart which you can use for creating dashboard. Okay. Now there is a catch that while creating charts using pivot table, there are some charts which are not available for pivot table. But for that, and so we do have some tricks and tips. That is something we are going to cover in our main course curriculum. But for now, we are going to utilize the ones which are available directly. Okay. So the column chart is basically available for this data. So I'll go with the normal column chart. What is column chart and what is bar chart? That is also you will understand afterward. So for now, I'm using this column chart. I'll just click OK. Okay. So that one chart got created, I just size it the paper. And then for the chart design, see above we do have some extra tabs. So I'll go to design, and in that I'm going to get this neon bar. Yeah, then I will go with just that neon bar. I'll just cut it from here. Paste it over here. For now, I'm just okay. I'll go to summary tab again. Second one, which we are going to see, that is this top three for market. And again, both the profit and price, pivot table and lights chart. You go with this pie chart, then okay. I'll make your clip over smaller. Design. For this part, I'll give it this stuff. Cut it from here. Paste it over here. Just to say. They're just saying. Paste to say. The second one, and just align it there. This is the second one. The third one would be this, the top 10 profit ratio generating products. Nice chart. Now, so now the thing is, yeah, the number is even, so it is going to show not that much deflection in chart. I'll go donut one. As data is similar, so it is not going to generate anything for where every each and every slice won't be the same. So I'll go with the donut one. Design, but one on just cut it from here.
Rohit, quick question. How did you get the profit percentage?
Profit ratio.
Yeah, sorry, the profit.
Yeah, so profit ratio for that, actually, we did some calculation in the pivot table itself. So, yeah, the profit percentage was not available. So I went to the pivot table and dice, and there we have option if there's field, item, and sets. So I just did some calculation using this calculate field. So over there, if I show so profit divided by sales, that is something we get in the pivot. I just did that.
And you need to give this formula, like you need to give it for the.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
So this third KPI count or third chart for the KPI. So I just aligned it with the first one. Okay, when with the fourth one, I'll go with the bottom one, bottom 511 generated inside that. Pivot dividend buys will charge. Try to believe the bar one. Go to the center. Design similar steps I'm repeating. With centimeters. That's it from here. Yeah. or the top, not top, or revenue per e-com. So that can get I chart. See which chart is available or so. So 3D one. And then it is that the ice. Then the bottom. Okay, now let's go to the main charts. This number of products per year. The front that I'll go with the line chart. Now the thing is, whatever chart we are going to learn, each and every chart serves some different purpose. Like you can't use each and every chart for any kind of data. Every chart need that particular data only to be presented. So line chart is something basically for that you need to have a timeline on the base. Like on the x-axis, you need to show timeline because line chart is something we use for showing progress. You must have seen so many things. Similarly, like you must have seen line chart in the share market thing as well, where time on the basis of time it shows the progress, right? So line chart is something which shows the progress. That's why for the number of product per year, I'm using this line chart. But it's 20 years. Oh, it was here. Okay. Then next field now can for the line chart. Apart from line chart, we do have one more chart that's area chart, which shows kind of same thing. And with the area chart, I go to 41 percussion. Cheap it, such weight. The same day. So yeah, we have gathered these charts over here. Now goes to numbers. So we want sales and business. The package and the total for. So I can take these numbers like copy paste together here. Save it for ready. Copy. Go ahead. So I don't know this. Yeah. It's a bit same door. Just means that yeah. Okay. The box. Maybe kind of a big thing where Sonic that you just see does. Well, yeah. Oh, it's right there. Yep. Okay. Or we can format it, which can match with the dashboard. Accordingly, we can let me put up. Rather than and then simply I can simply try to match it with or should keep I think it's wait, you that or the free.
Rohit, can you increase your sound?
Hello.
Yeah, now it's clear audible.
Yeah. Yeah. So now it's matching with the actual team, but the dashboard is not completed yet because we are missing with header. See, for today, I'm not going to add any slicer or filter due to the time restriction. But header is something we can quickly add. So for adding header, we can stay. We can keep it on the some on it. So that is something you are going to do very often. Like until you are not satisfied, you are going to try various combinations. So yeah, that way it works. One building. That's how the that. Then anticipating these slides. Okay. And for having the title, I just select these cells and then I'll then term, and we can type the cover. Then there. Look at that. Data summary. That we can have then just make it bigger. Now we can get a different font style. You can go with it. The one which can go with the theme or which can match. Chip will suddenly increase the size. Big. Okay. Now you must check it. Like it's in dark, but the background is actually not going. Okay. So for that also we do have option. So for that I'll go to the page layout option, and then I'll just disable. There we have option grid line. So I'll just disable that from here. And then for background, there we do have option for back. Take the background. I have few images downloaded, so I'm going to use one of the image. Let's try this one. MRA. Text color and change the white with yeah. So that way, now it looks kind of right. Yeah, feel. Okay, now. Well, now it's still out. Line in you and I. And that is my exam. Or the length or the origin chart. Yes, I did. But okay, so yep, this is not complete dashboard. Now the thing which is missing over here, we are able to see the charts, but numbers, the data labels I have not enabled. But that is very easy. You can simply click on the chart. There we have plus icon, and there, if you click on the plus icon, there you have data labels option. So when you click on that, so those data labels will get enabled. You can simply see those labels, but see those labels are not properly aligned. So for that also we need to go to the formatting option. Due to time constraint, I won't be able to cover it today. But yeah, in our course, we are going to cover that also in very depth. How to format the charts, how to format the numbers. The slicer part is important, where you can select for which time period you want to see the data, or you can select many other options as well to the slices part. Slices. Okay, so we are going to see the slicer as well in that perspective. Yeah, so that was the small introduction with the Excel dashboard. You can create a dashboard in Excel as well, a beautiful dashboard. You can create the Excel as well. So even if you don't have knowledge of Power BI and Tableau, I would say need to get the knowledge of those as well, because those are the specialized tool for creating visualization. But even if you don't have knowledge of those, in Excel also you can create it. Okay. So yeah, with this, we can stop for the day. Which else? What do you?
Great, Rohit, great. Thank you for creating this e-commerce data and summary dashboard. And I would like to thank you to all that you are joining the session and that will be present in the end of the session. So let's share my screen with you, and I'll just a little bit introduce about our course curriculum that will be launched on 15th of May on Data Analytics course. Okay. and I'll share with you the further details that you will keep in touch with our platform, that you can getting a free resource on that projects and that study material. Okay, so let's share my screen once. Yeah, the screen is visible for everyone.
No.
Yes.
Please your mic.
Hello.
You are audible, doctor, for being the
One second.
Yeah, how much one did I matter? Yeah.
Now it is visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. So here you can see that our course curriculum we will launch on that uh, data analytics course. Okay, so basically in this course we cover our the data analytics modules. Okay, we cover Python, SQL, and Power BI and Tableau and Excel. Okay, so basically this course will be started on 15th of the May, and the course curriculums around 5 months. Okay, and the last month that will be have two projects. Okay, so every module that you complete, like you complete one Excel module, so that you will be getting Excel module projects. Okay, and then you complete the your Power BI module, then you will be getting the Power BI module project, and the project is related on your field. Maybe that some, if you are related to the finance background, so your project is related to the finance background in a particular domain, like you complete your Python syllabus, and that you will be shifted on the Python project, and that you are belonging to the finance background, so we providing the project related to the finance, that you will be make your career in your same domain as a data analyst. Okay, and we provide the placement assistance, because we have to lots of company network, and that in our network lots of the companies will be HR will be getting the asking about the freshers, so we'll definitely refer with you. Okay, the contact detail with HRs, and we'll providing the openings of the jobs regarding from the different domain, and the course is properly designed by the industrial experts. Okay, is the sub module of the course. I'll share with you link in a chat box, that you will be getting the detailed information about the course. Okay, so basically additional material learning from the industrial expert of the year of experience, gain practical experience with the real world project. Okay, and you receive the personalized feedback and project guidance. If you're facing any difficulty in any project, it will be getting the personal guidance. Okay, maybe some of the student will be not be comfortable, that will be that time asking the project in a class, so we can arrange the personal session with the trainer, and that you can clear your doubts. Okay, access to support with community networking, we that you will be receive the daily feedback regarding, and daily workshops detail through the students. Okay, and industrial experts, and that you will be providing many resources in our group. You can see the daily basis we providing the data analyst project. Okay, but that time you receive original video, lifetime access of recording lectures. Okay, on daily basis. So why choose we us? We providing the 50 successfully workshop complete. Okay, and the expert guidance, daily project and practice learning, and promote the support of instant solution for your project and career queries. Okay, and we providing personal assistance. Okay, like you can complete the first your module on your course. Okay, then you are will be eligible from the mock interview, and then where you eligible the resume building session, and then you eligible from their project. Okay, so first, like if you complete your project. Okay, so we can provide you with the mock interview. Okay, and then mock interview will be providing the different sets. Okay, from we are getting only 20 seats limit from this course, so around 4 set for each every student from the mock interview. Then you clear the first mock interview, and then we are start your resume building sessions, and you growth your LinkedIn profile growth, and then we will refer to the industrial expert, that will be that will be providing the jobs regarding from your data analysis and data science domain. So we are properly analyze this course curriculum. If you have any doubt, I'll share my contact detail you, and you can call me on tomorrow between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, you can discuss freely. I'll just share with you all the concept on Google Meet, that you are comfortable on Google Meet. I'll show you all the guidance on Google Meet. you can call me and then I'll properly guide you the step by step. That will be process of the regarding this school. Okay. So you can contact to the me. Please take the screenshot. I'll share with this PPT drive link also, and you receive the recording from this lecture on morning on your mail ID. Okay. And if you are interested from this course, please let me know. I'll share the course detail links with you. If you're getting the detailed information about this course, I'll share the link with you. You can click on this Python roadmap. Okay. So you definitely get full Python roadmap course from the around 45 days. List up all object-oriented programming, file handling, input, output. I'll share with the screen with you 1 second.
See and that
Share.
and
Yeah. Now,
let's tell you what my data is going.
so here is the link from the Notion. You can get the detailed course overview. Okay. When I click on this Python roadmap, we'll getting the about the Python roadmap. All the topic regarding from the Python. Okay, that will be covering database and concept, web development, ego, advanced topic. Okay, libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, JSON, CSV file, OOPS, list tuple, dictionary, functional and modules, and that will be cover all the concept regarding Python. And when you click on this particular roadmap regarding Power BI, Excel, so you're getting the full roadmap regarding from this module. I just click on the, for example, Power BI roadmap, you will receive the full Power BI roadmap, Power BI visualization, Power Query, modeling in Power BI, Power Query editor, filter, customized data with Power BI, customized dating from the Power BI, tax expression with sub modules like introduction, DAX, calendar auto, summary group, lookup, switch, dat left, right, rank, quick measures, Alistair, time intelligence. This types of topic that we will be covered in this course. Okay, so we cover all the topic regarding from the starting to end from the particular module, and you will be getting from the resource and project from this our LinkedIn page. Okay, when you just click on this LinkedIn page, that you will be receiving our daily resources, around 4K followers in our LinkedIn genuine followers. Okay, that will be getting the benefit on the different project ideas in our LinkedIn page. So here you can see, you can click on this post, you can find the definitely project that will be helpful for your resume building session. Okay. Here is anti-money laundering project. Okay. You can see the project, around 25-page projects are available. And this is a Python interview question resource are available. And here is a Power BI interview question is available. So you can getting so many related posts from the data science, data analyst projects, workshop, update information, different projects. Okay. The event. Here we conduct our Power BI successfully workshop, and that you will be receive different feedback of different materials. Here is the Power BI session view that will click on this. You can find the Power BI session videos. So we providing lot of resources material in this course. Okay, and the course curriculum I'll share with you, and the link and our particular groups link. If you have any doubt regarding from this course, please let me know on morning around 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. I'll share with you link with you all guys, and that you facing any difficulty doubt regarding this course, please let me know. I'll clear your all the doubts and concept. Yeah guys, any doubt regarding from this class?
Probably.
Swastika, Dhanush, Arjun Singh, Abdul Shah, only education. There's any doubt?
No, I don't have it. No.
Okay, so can I record your feedback, so that will be very helpful for us, that you would like to session note. I'll just saying the one by one name, and please give your honest feedback review regarding from this action workshops. Okay. Swastika, you like this session?
Yeah, it was really, really very helpful and effective.
Okay, so you believe that you will be clear all the concept regarding from the dashboards and that particular KPIs that will be covered in the session.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the Dhanush, your opinion from this lecture? Dhanush, I'm audible for you. Karuki, I'm audible for you also. Okay. Abdullah, I'm audible for you.
Yeah, it was really awesome. I'm not a beginner actually, but I've seen the figure in the Excel for the first time. So definitely I'm gonna search for that and improve that thing. But overall, you were awesome.
Yeah, I'll definitely share with you this recording from this lecture on your mail ID, and you can also receive the recording on my YouTube channel. Okay? I'll share with you the
Sure.
And I would request, like, if you could arrange this kind of workshops again and again, then it would be really
Yeah, every weekend I'll just arrange a workshop to your guys from different domain. So that will be very helpful.
Sure. We try to join.
sure.
I'll share with you some contact details with you so you can touch with me that you're facing any difficulty and doubts. Okay? 1 second, I'll share with you in chat box.
Sure.
Yeah. It is the our platform like links that you can join our YouTube for some guidance for LinkedIn for me, data analyst project on LinkedIn, WhatsApp group from daily work update regarding from your projects, okay, and data analyst course roadmap. So here you can find particular data analyst course detail in this link, and it is my contact number that you will contact me.
Yes, of course.
If you're facing any doubt regarding inquiry regarding from the course, please let me know. Okay, guys. Any other doubts?
Have you sent those things on chat box?
Yeah, you can check the message box. It's available. This guy, Agibushi, you like this course? Like you like this workshop or not?
Oh yes, I do. And I must say that you've done very well. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're audible. Audible.
Okay, good. So it's been a wonderful one. It's quite eye-opening and very enlightening. So yeah, I mean, it was a wonderful session. You're doing it well. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your honest feedback. And that if facing any difficulty, that you will contact to the on my number, okay, and just touch with our rest of the platform that you will be getting free resources and material from the regarding data analysis. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining this session. Next we'll try to arrange a tableau workshop. Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you too. Have a wonderful time.
Great. Thank you.